Hello and welcome back to our data structures and algorithm series. In this video, I'll take you through and demonstrate the properties of a set. So a set is one of the four built-in Python data types, and it has the following properties. It is unordered, meaning that the items stored in it are not in any particular order. So I'm going to demonstrate that you cannot change values inside a set. It's also not indexed, and you cannot have duplicates. So those are the properties that I want to demonstrate in the next 4 minutes. So let's dive in and do some coding. So let's begin by creating a set. Can just go with the previous example, which is a set of fruits. So you can just call it fruit set. So for a set, we use curly brackets to define a set. So we can have an apple there. We can have a mango. We can have pear and maybe grapes. Okay, so we can print the contents of this using the print statement. So print fruit set. Okay, so please note the order of items in the set when we declared it, and the order of items in the set when we print it. So you can see pear was on position number 2 there. Here it's on position number 3. You can see apple. You can see grapes. You can see mango. So that goes to show you that items in a set are not stored in a particular order, like what we saw, for example, in an array or a list, and even the previous data structure we looked at, which was a tuple. Okay, so for a similar reason, you cannot also access an item of a set using an index, because it's not indexed. We cannot, for example, say print that. So if I run this, we should get an error. We should get an error. So you cannot be able to access an item of a set by using an index, because a set is not indexed anyway. Then the items of a set, they are unchangeable. Of course, these you might already have guessed that you cannot be able to change it, because you cannot be able to use the index. So we cannot, for example, say we now want to store a pear at position number 1. So that is not possible. You cannot be able to change. So set object does not support item assignment. So you cannot change the value that has been stored inside a set. Duplicates. So let's try and add another apple here. And if we run the code, so we should get an not really. Okay, this is important. So we have to print. So print fruit set. So I want you to see what happens. Only one apple is maintained. Any other similar item is going to be ignored or removed. So this one is there, it's not going to be maintained. So similarly, if, for example, I add another What did I do there? Okay. For example, if I add another pair here, so if I print this, you see we still have a single pair. So a set will normally ignore any other duplicate value. So that's how it behaves. Okay, and finally a set can allow multiple data types. So again, we can print this here. So we can have a true here. We can have a number like 5. So if we do print this, we should be able to get them. Not in the exact order because it's unordered. So we have the true there. We have a string here. We have an integer here. So a set allows multiple data types. So thank you very much for staying to the end of this video. In the next video, we will look at the dictionary data structure. So thank you so much and see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.